In this demo, we highlight how to sync products from Lazada to Power BI using HexaSync. Now, we could create the new item in Lazada Seller Center. After logging into the Lazada system, go to the product category and then select Add Products button. Next, create a new product. Then fill in all the item's information, product name, category list. We also fill in price, stock, and SKU. In the shipping and warranty section, fill the data for mass and size. Select Send a button to create the item. As you can see, we have successfully created the new product. Now, we could move on to HexaSync dashboard to sync the product data from Lazada to Power BI. In HexaSync dashboard, select Product Task. Here, we will know whether the product data was pulled from Lazada to Power BI. Enter the name to check the new item information. Once the destination ID is updated, we can make sure that the new item data is successfully pushed to the Power BI system. Copy that ID, we will use that to compare data in Power BI. Let's go to the Power BI system and check information. Select the Products in Tables section to show the product list. Find the new item with the ID in HexaSync dashboard. As you can see, the new product is successfully synced from Lazada to Power BI with the right name and price. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video about sale order sync from Lazada to Power BI. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.